Get 10. To Sardinas. Shot clock 10. No. Rebound by Olio. Olio dribble ball looking for pinning by Olio. Pass to Lazaro. Lazaro. Dribble ball. Lazaro. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Rebound by Olio. Olio dribble ball looking for pinning by Olio. Fast to Hilira Novoskat. Sardinas dribble ball looking for pinning by Sardinas. Fast to by Yoge. Pass for 3. No. Olio for the rebound. To Tenerife to Tiro. Hilira basket for the boys. Shot number 15. Basket for 2 points by Yogi. Basket for 2 points by Tenerife. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Intercept. Tenerife. Basket for 2 points. Timeout Barangay San Juan. Remaining time 5 minutes and 16 seconds for the second quarter. Warning for delaying the game. Taken. Warning for delaying the game. Barangay Recreo. Vayoge. To Galapin. No. De La Torre for the rebound. De La Torre for Poncinilla. Poncinilla dribble ball looking for pinning by Poncinilla. Pass to Artaga. Artaga pass for 3. No. Vargas. Shot clock 10. De La Torre. Basket for 2 points. 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Sub. Shot clock 9. 9 to shoot. Basket for 2 points. Shot clock 15. Rejected to behind by Moradas. Moradas. Using the glass. Basket for the points. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Shot clock 15. Rollo. First. No. Galapin for the rebound. Jersey number 91. Jersey number 87. Time out! Barangay Recreo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds on the second quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Moradas on the 15-foot lane, first attack basket, second throw balls in play. Julio, rejected to behind. Ibarra picking up the ball, dribbling on the right, basket for the boys. Julio. Shot clock 10. To Vargas, basket for the boys. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. Pero basket. Rebound by Baron. Extra pass to Ibarra. High whistle. Committed by jersey number 8. Pushing foul and substitution. First attempt, air ball. Second throw balls they're playing. Two minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Fonseca Pasto. Plantada first for 3 no basket. Rebound by Guevara. Guevara to Mukal. Atake orbital. No! Mukal again for the rebound. Foul. Committed by jersey number 96. Mukal. First personal foul. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. No basket. 2 minutes left. Foul committed by jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Warning, coach sa Barangay San Juan. Resentment on the foul. Shot clock 15. Flower basket. For the dividers, number 3. Vargas, first personal foul. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time. One minute and 13. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here comes the by Fontanilla. Fontanilla, dribble the ball. To Vargas. While we saw only the Tigers in number 12, Cornel Gaulias offense. Second personal foul by Guevara. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining time. First attempt no basket. Second row balls are playing. Fontanilla, they stop, and pass to Bandada, to Ortaga, verse for 3, shoot! 1 minute left! Seguinte ai 5 segundos. Forty-eight segundos sa akin. Jersey number 8, substitution. Third personal foul by Ortaga. Sub. Penalty na rep. Rep penalty na. 48.7 seconds. Sub. First attempt basket. Second row balls in play. 48.7 seconds remaining time. "45, 40, 15 seconds to shoot. "25, 15, 10, 5, 'and of the second quarter, with a score of 32-51, in favor of Barangay Recreo. Back to the Cartel for the third quarter game between Barangay San Juan versus Barangay Recreo. Bola sa Barangay San Juan, Bor. Bor, dia sa San Juan bola. San Juan. Lapangan. Dribble ball. Pass to Sevilla. Sevilla pass to Calapen. El Senador in intercept by Tero. Tomar to Bandada. Bandada to Sofran. Pass to Tero. Tero pass for three. No. Bandada for the rebound. Bandada pass to Aman. Shot clock set. Tuhiga in the basket. Sofran is there. Basket for the boys. Galaban rejected to behind. Soklan. Galaban to Morales. Three basket for the point. Shot clock set. Rayugan Camarradas foul committed by jersey number 6. Foul committed by jersey number 1 points by Bayugi. Substitution. Sub. Bandada dribble ball, keeper winning by Bandada. Bandada to Sofran. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 14. Intercept by Bandada. And simple. Seven minutes and 38 seconds. Soklan, pass to Amar. Amar, shot clock 10. To Bandada. To Soklan. No! Rayugi, basket for the boys. Tiro, to Amar. Pass to Bandada. Bandada, dribble ball. Bandada. And Loserato. Time out! Barangay Recreo. Remaining time 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Back to the quarter. For the third quarter game between Barangay Sawang and Barangay Recreo. The semi-finals game 1. The German Oyo. And save goal. Intercept, Sevilla. Rejected to line by William Morales. Basket for the boys. For Sevilla, to Tenerife. Pass over Sevilla, to Tenerife again. Takes the pass. No. Morales for the rebound. Pass for Sevilla. Sevilla. Wait for the game, pass to Mayoke, first down! Fortunately, dribble ball, looking for 25, Fortunately, 6 minutes left. Intercept, Tenerife. Driving violation. 5 minutes and 54 seconds, remaining time. And substitution. Sub. Mungkal. Pass to Baron. Pass to Mungkal. Mungkal, dribble the ball. First for 3. No. Tenerife for the rebound. Tenerife pass to Cotililla. Pass to Tero. No. Mungkal. To Mayoke. Basket for the boys. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Tenerife ball score 3-0. Qualify for the rebound. Pass to Mayoke. And substitution. 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Ibarra, William, 4-1, go, Fortaleza has scored. Basket for the boys. 4 minutes and 40 seconds to finish time. Mungkal dribble the ball, looking for winning by Mungkal. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. No! Dino ba? Henderson by Rivera. Wiley Sol. Committed by Jersey. Number. Time out! Barangay San Juan. Remaining time 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Remaining time 4 minutes and 18 seconds. With a score of 55-42 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Sa Merkules sa Imanjabon na oras. Basketball because Bagal Lapin. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Poncenelia dribble ball looking for winning by Poncenelia. Shot clock 15. Basketball because 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Doradas. Extra pass to Barano. Tiene favor dari Babas ke Bakelia. Basketball Bulldogs. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 6. Sub. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Basketball Bulldogs by Stormeras. Respect! Basketball Bulldogs by Rizal, going to by jersey number 87. The substitution. De La Torre, third personal foul. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. First for 3 now. But for the rebound. Stormeras making shot. Basketball to points. Two minutes and 15 seconds. Someone. Foul. Committed by jersey number 12. 49 pala ng San Juan. Ang San Juan, 49 na lang. Shot clock 5. Two minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Shot clock 15. 1 minute and 45. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Shot clock 15. Jump ball. Revenant ia sang barangkali Recreo bola. One minute and 25 seconds. Remaining time. Generate. Basketball points. 1 minute and 10 seconds. One minute and 4. Seguida segundos. 14. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 5. Basket 20 points. Jersey number 22nd personal ball. "29 seconds remaining time." By Dimitri Segundos na araw. By Chinko. By 10. Shot na 15. Kitse, shot clock 10. 7.9 seconds. 7.9 seconds remaining time. And the third quarter, with a score of 68-51. Back to the town for the fourth in the final quarter game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. This is the semi-finals game 1. Aking payabangan. Sa tuloy pa sa dito. Galapin. Predator jumper. No basket. Rebound by Tenerife. Ponzanilla. Ponzanilla. Dribble ball. Pass to Tenerife. Back to Ponzanilla. To Tenerife. Basket for 2 points by Tero. Result committed by jersey number 24 for illegal use of hands and substitution. Tenerife first personal foul. Galapin on the 15-foot lane, first attempt basket, second throw ball, set play. Shot number 14. Shot clock back to 14. Down. Galapin. Dribble the ball against Baitero. Now he can rest the ball on the block. Foul committed by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, first personal foul. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time on the fourth and final quarter game. Ponzanilla, shot number 15. To Tenerife, no. Welcome by Ponzanilla. Ponzanilla, dribble the ball. Looking for opening by Ponzanilla. Makes a pass to Dalla. Basket broken points by Tenerife. Habado Galapin. Galapin on the Lagos area. 15 to shoot. No. Tiro for the rebound. Tiro to Ponzanilla. Ponzanilla. No. Shot number 15. Basket for 3 points by Sevilla. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. No basket. Beautiful pass in substitution. Seven minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 10. Foul jersey number 10. With the ball. First personal foul by Tero. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. On the fourth and final quarter game. 15 to shoot. First basket for 3 points by Mukal. 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. No basket. Basketball points by Olco. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Fontanella dribble ball. 6 minutes left. Basketball points. Five minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15. Time out! Barangay Recreo. Foul jersey number 6, jersey number 1. Five minutes and 32 seconds remaining time on the fourth and final quarter game. Recreo, isa na lang bilhin yung time out. Barangay San Juan may duwa pa. Ang aton na game 2 sa Merkules. Habang madyan po oras, alas 4 kita masugod. Fontanella dribble ball looking for opening by Fontanella. Pass to Olio, 15 to shoot. Fires no. Rebound by Burradas. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. 5 minutes left. Shot clock 15. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Fontanella, shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. No. Rebound by Marciano Moncaldo Baron. No basket. Baron again. Shot clock 14. To Burradas. No. Moncaldo bars for 3. No basket. De La Torre for the rebound. De La Torre pass to Fontanella. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 35. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Baron. Committed by jersey number 24 in substitution. Three minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Three minutes and 4 seconds. 3 minutes left. Shot clock 13. Shot clock 5. Two minutes and 14 seconds remaining time of the fourth and the final quarter game. Moradas. High whistle committed by jersey number 1 for illegal use of hands. Soklan. First personal foul by Soklan. Moradas on the 15-foot lane. First attempt no basket. Second throw ball serve lane. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Foul committed by jersey number 24 in substitution. Penalty na rep. Substitution.
Sense daw. Sumagi, no? Okay, paano? Jumen!
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Two minutes and 6 seconds remaining time on the fourth and final quarter game. One minute and 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 5. Time out. Barangay Recreo. Barangay Recreo, wala yung nakamabilang time ata. Uy, no 36 na nabilay na ito na oras. Ginapabalo sa tanan. Ang atong game 2. Summer Coles na daw. Amo ba niya po na wala sir? Let's go throw. Let's go throw mo niya po. Let's go throw mo niya po sir. Let's go. Amo mo niya po na oras. Alas 4 sa kapon. Alas 4. Summer Coles na daw ang game 2. Alas 4 sa kapon. Bola sa Recreo. One minute and 25. Shot clock 15. One minute and 9.
Ayun! Nice one!
55 segundos. 50. 45. 35, 30, 25,